उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे. Even I am doing great and I am also absolutely fine. Today the topic of the video is group discussion. As we all know, group discussion is a very important round which is almost taken by all kind of companies for campus placement, for university interviews, interviews for ground staff, cabin crew, for all companies and for all kind of job sectors. So now let us discuss what is exactly group discussion, how does it happen, and how we can clear the group discussion. So group discussion is basically a discussion that happens between the group members whereby a topic is given to the group, and after giving the topic a time is given to prepare about the topic. After that, the candidates are required to speak against the motion or they can speak in the favor of the motion. Depending upon the opinion and views of the candidate speak his or her own views. Discussion is done to judge the candidate's interpersonal skills, to judge the candidate's communication skills, knowledge, aptitude and the problem solving skills. Now it's the time to know how we can clear the group discussion round. Before going to the group discussion, we need to keep it in mind the current happenings of our country. Also, we need to take a note of the current affairs because the majority of the topics that happens in the group discussion are from the current affairs. While we go for a group discussion, it is very important that we are dressed formally and properly groomed. While we have already gone for the group discussion, we need to take care of our body posture. We do not need to lean on the desk. We need to make sure that once the time is given for the topic, हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा points note करने हैं. We can make note of all the points whether in the favor and whether in the against. Once all the points have been noted, then we can decide whether to speak against the motion or whether we have to speak in the favor. Once the time is up, we can try to initiate the discussion. It is very important to initiate the discussion because the initiator gets extra marks. Also, it is very important to note that we can initiate the discussion only when we have a clear understanding of the topic. Also, we can initiate in case we have any facts and figures. Also, we can initiate by doing or narrating a small story. In case we have a clear understanding of the topic, we can always go ahead with initiating the discussion. Get that group discussion is just like a team exercises. Also, we must note that group discussion is just like a football match, whereby every person or every player passes on the ball to everyone. In the same way, in group discussion, every person has the right to discuss his or her own views. In case you have any differentiating answer, you can disagree with the person, but you have to disagree in a formal and in a systematic manner. We need to keep it in our mind that whenever we are giving our opinion, we need to be very confident and firm. Also, we need to maintain eye contact with each and every person. We need to respect the opinion of other people, and in case we want to disagree, we can disagree in a polite and systematic manner. In case I want to disagree with someone, I can simply disagree in an indirect manner so that the observer who is observing us does not consider that we are rude. Also, we need to note down once. It is very important that in case we find that the group is going beyond the topic, that they are going away from the topic, we need to bring them back on the topic. While we do so, we get extra marks. Once everybody's opinions and views have been discussed, now it is time to conclude the topic. It is always preferred that whenever you are concluding a topic, you are respecting each and every person's views and then only concluding the topic. Because conclusion also plays a very important role whereby the modulator or the observer sees how much we have listened and how much have we reacted to the opinion and to the views of other fellow candidates. So this was all about a group discussion whereby we have understand what exactly is group discussion, how does that happen and how we can clear the group discussion round. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have liked the video. In case you have liked the video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.